In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a text box in DocuSign, step by step. Whether you're creating a contract, agreement, or any type of document that requires someone to fill in custom information, adding a text field correctly is essential. I'll walk you through the entire process from creating a template to dragging and dropping the text field into your document. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any important settings. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple DocuSign tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to DocuSign. Head to apps.docusign.com and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll see several options across the top navigation menu. Next, click on Templates. Using templates is one of the best ways to reuse documents and keep your workflow efficient, especially if you frequently send similar forms. Now click on Create Template. This will allow you to build a reusable document where you can add fields like signatures, dates, and of course, text boxes. You'll now be prompted to enter a template name. Go ahead and type a clear, descriptive name so you can easily find it later. For example, you might name it Client Intake Form or Service Agreement Template. After typing the name, continue to the Document Upload section. Click on Upload to add your document. You can upload a file from your computer, Google Drive, Dropbox, or other connected storage options. For this example, click on Desktop and choose the file you want to use. Once selected, the document will upload into DocuSign. After uploading your file, scroll down to the Recipient section. Here, you need to fill in the recipient roles. Even if you don't yet know the exact email address, you can assign a role such as client or signer. This step is important because DocuSign needs to know who the fields will be assigned to. Next, click on Add Message. This is where you can customize the email subject and message that recipients will receive when the document is sent. While this isn't directly related to adding a text box, it's good practice to fill this out clearly so recipients understand what they are signing. Once everything looks good, click on Next, Add Fields. This is where the magic happens. You'll now see your uploaded document displayed on the screen, along with a panel on the left-hand side that contains different field types. To add a text box in DocuSign, look for the text field option in the left panel. Click on it, then drag and drop it onto the area of the document where you want the recipient to enter information. Simply position it in the correct spot and release your mouse. After placing the text field, you can resize it by dragging the corners. You can also click on the field to open its Properties panel. Here you can adjust settings like the field label, font size, required status, character limit, and validation rules. For example, if you want to limit the number of characters or require the field to be completed before signing, you can enable those options here. Make sure the field is assigned to the correct recipient. You'll see a color indicator showing which role the field belongs to. If needed, use the recipient drop-down at the top to switch between roles and place fields accordingly. Once you've added and customized your text box, review the document to ensure everything is aligned properly. When you're finished, click Save and Close if you're working on a template, or click Send if you're ready to send the document immediately. And that's it. That's exactly how to add a text box in DocuSign quickly and correctly. As you can see, it only takes a few minutes once you know where everything is located. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy DocuSign guides and software tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.